Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What color?
White color, please.
I'm sorry, we've sold out. But we have another color.
Okay, let me see that t-shirt.
What size do you need?
Medium size, I think.
Okay, here you have.
Where the changing room?
They're near the cashier.
Okay, I will try it on. This t-shirt not mock to me. The size is different. In this t-shirt, available in large size.
Yes, sir. Try fitting this t-shirt. Oh, it fits you perfectly.
I agree, I would like to buy them. How much do they cost?
They cost 1,000 rupees.
That's fine. Here's your money.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
Thank you.